We got a couple of our TMG Volunteers rolling down shop today, guys. Set up a little different, so let's check them out. We'll start off with this rig here on our trailer package. Now, guys, the Volunteer starts at $4,500 on casters. Trailer package is going to cost you a few grand extra, but it's well worth it. On this rig here, guys, we build all of our trailers in-house. We have independent torsion axles on the rear, makes for a smooth ride. It also allows us to make this trailer very narrow. So we're about 5 foot wide, 12 foot long. You got a double wheel jack up here, so it's real easy. One person can roll in and out of the garage without having to hook it up to a truck. Powder coated finish on this trailer. We did upgrade to a stainless steel shelf here. Now on the Volunteer smoker itself, you get the fold down stack. It's about a 130 gallon smoke chamber. It's a lot of room on this thing. Bottom and top sliding trays. You do have a water pan shelf back here as well. This one has the griddle top above the firebox, grease drain. We do cut out the firebox. That griddle top does get hot. A little stainless steel shelf on the back as well as a spare tire. That's our trailer package. Hey, that ain't for everybody though. You want something that's gonna look slick sitting in your backyard, check out our off-road package. We got upgraded wheels on this one, set up the same way, stainless steel shelf, griddle top. A lot of room in this smoker. So guys, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.